In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage tags in Zoho CRM. Tags in Zoho CRM are a powerful tool that helps you categorize and organize your records efficiently, facilitating a more streamlined workflow. Whether you're tackling leads, managing contacts, or working within any other module, utilizing tags can be a game changer for decluttering and prioritizing your workflows. Let's dive right in and see how you can make the most out of them. First up, you'll want to open the module where you wish to manage your tags. This might be the Leads module if you're focusing on prospect management, the Contacts module for an overview of your business relationships, or any other module that fits your current task. Simply navigate to the module of your choice and ensure you're in List View, the optimal setting for managing your tags. Once you're in List View, direct your attention to the Actions menu. This is typically found towards the top of your screen. Click on Actions, then select Manage Tags from the drop-down menu. This brings you into the Manage Tags screen, which is your main hub for all tag-related activities. Think of this screen as your command center, where you can see all existing tags and perform any necessary actions to suit your organizational needs. If you need to add a new tag, you'll be pleased to know it's quite straightforward. Within the Manage Tags screen, look for the Add New Tag option. Clicking this will allow you to create a new tag that fits the categorization you aim to implement in your CRM. When creating tags, try to be descriptive and consistent with naming conventions to avoid future confusion and ensure ease of use for your entire team. Once you've added your tags, you might find yourself wanting to rename or change the color of a particular tag for better visibility or clarity. No problem. Simply click on the Edit icon next to the tag you wish to modify. This provides you with the flexibility to update the tag's name or alter its color, enabling a more visually intuitive tagging system. Sometimes you'll find a tag that's no longer necessary, maybe because it's become obsolete or simply redundant. In such cases, using the Delete icon will allow you to remove a tag entirely from the system. Cleanup like this can significantly enhance your CRM's usability, keeping the tagging system tight and relevant. That's all there is to it. By effectively managing your tags in Zoho CRM, you take a significant step toward a more organized database, which translates to improved productivity and greater ease in zeroing in on what truly matters in your business processes. I hope this guide has been helpful in making the task of managing tags feel straightforward and manageable. Don't forget to like this video if you found it useful and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.